So dear students, we are revising we revised worksheet first. Last time we revised fill in the blanks, tick the right answer, and today we have to see write T for true and we have for false. So it's open page number 8. First you see non-living things can move on their own. No, it is fast. So first you see page number you see first page number 8. So D, sorry, that is the C, T and the false. So first, non-living things can move on their own. No, they cannot move their own. As you are familiar with car and buses, they cannot move their own with the help of the diesel is necessary for their movement and driver also necessary for their movement. Next one, animals move from one place to another place in search of food, water, etc. Yes, it is true. The second is true. And third, you see, non-living things react to change in the surrounding. No, non-living things do not react to. Third will be of the false. And fourth, you see, a hen lay eggs from which chick comes out. Yes, it is true. The fourth is also the true. And fifth, you see, fifth, the sunflower turns towards the sun. Yes, it is the correct. So these are the true and the false. I hope that you have revised at your own. Now answer the following. Now see D, answer the following. What are living things? So I think you have learned the things having life are called as living things. Right? Correct. 4 characteristics of living things. You have studied about the living things breathe, living things need food, living things grow, living things move. So many features are there. I think you will learn these features. Now, what are non-living things? Non-living things, the things having no life are called as the non-living things. Why do living things need food? So you learn these things. To live, living things need food because food gives energy to grow, move and keep healthy. So all the living things need food as food provides the energy, and without energy we cannot live. So without food we cannot live. Food is necessary. So how do plant breathe? We have studied that about the stomata. Stomata help in the breathing of the plant. Stomata are these minute pores which help in the exchange of the gases. Why do animals move from one place to another place? So I told you why animals move in search of food, in search of the food, for the safety, for the search of the partners. So many reasons why animals moves from one place to another place. So now next we have to start the revision. Housing and the clothing. Open page number 39. Open page number 39. We have to see the housing and the clothing. So housing and the clothing. Now see page number 39. Next lesson you have to see page number 39. So page number 39. Where you have to see housing and the clothing. We have studied last time about the house. House gives us shelter and comfort, and also studied that house Also keep away thieves and stray animals. We use bricks, cements and wood to build the house. And properties of a good house. A good house have the essential qualities as fresh air and enough light, enough water, proper drainage system, mesh doors and windows, enough space and attracting appearance. These are the properties of a good house. And also studied about the cleanliness of the houses. Wherever we live, we must maintain the cleanliness. Not all persons can have big houses with a number of rooms and other facilities, but even a one room house can be kept then clean and tidy. So following steps should be taken to keep a house comfortable and keep the surrounding clean. First, garbage from the house should be kept in a closed container. It should be taken away daily by the sweeper. Next, floors should be mopped daily. Use a germ killer while mopping the floor. Next, bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned regularly. Next, fourth, the surrounding of the house must be kept clean. No dirty water or the waste should be allowed to remain scattered in or around the house. Such water breeds mosquitoes and flies which causes their diseases. Now, not only it is enough to clean out the house, but there is need of cleaning clothes. There is also need to clean out the clothes. So, clothes are basic need. Clothes protect body from sun, rain, dust, dirt and the insect bite, and they also give appearance to the body. A person in clean clothes look decent. We wear different clothes in different seasons. For good health, it is necessary to wear clean clothes. Our clothes must have the following qualities so that they help to keep good health. First, clothes must be washed and changed daily after a bath. Next, clothes must not be light. Clothes must not be tight. Tight clothes are sure to prove harmful. They stand in the way of free movement and growth. Next, never use others' clothes. This is a very important feature. Never use others' clothes. They may bring diseases, germs with them. Thus, you can easily get a disease. Clothes must be washed with a good soap to free them from dirt and the germs. Now next, clothes should be ironed before use. They look nice and give a fresh appearance to the body. Now next point, clothes must be used according to weather and the season. Wear light colored comfortable cotton clothes in summer. They easily absorb the sweat. The sweat evaporates and we feel cool. Wear dark colored and the woolen clothes in the winter as they absorb the heat and keep our body warm. Use a raincoat or an umbrella in the rainy season. Next point, remember that shoes are a part of our dress. They must be well polished. Use a good polish, a brush, and a shining pad to make them shine. Belts and tie, belts and tie too should be clean. So now worksheet 7, you see the page number 42. Now you can see some questions are given. 42, page number 42. So there are fill in the blanks. A house is a place where we first you see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. So first you see a house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. Second, proper drainage system is needed for taking away dirty water and other liquid waste. Drainage. Drainage. So second, you have to fill the drainage. And next, our home is a source of our happiness. Third, happiness. And fourth, light clothes tight clothes hinders free movement and growth. So fourth, movement and faith. The cotton clothes absorb the sweat easily. So faith you have to revise as the cotton clothes absorb the sweat very easily. So in this way, next time we have to revise the rest portions of this lesson. Thank you. That's for today.